We added reload. We're just gonna do reload for this one. This got complicated because I made an error where I had current ammo set ahead of reserve ammo. And because of that, I shot the video and the reserve ammo wasn't going down. So I'm gonna explain this all to you. We add this here. This is the test. We don't need that now. We add the ammo widget. We set the player HUD that we create in the game mode. Here's the player HUD. We get a character reference. If the character is valid, we create the ammo widget. So I'll take you to the player character where I have an input. That I go to the inputs folder, I right click, go to input, I create an input action, I call it reload. Once that's named, I can go to input mapping context, add a mapping, select the name called reload. I use the R key. I can type reload, input action reload. Get this. Reload. If current ammo, so I get the current weapon reference we set whenever at the beginning of the game when we switch weapons. We set that in the last video. So this is set all the time. When current ammo is less than max clip size, that's true. So if I've ruined the clip, I can reload. Reserve ammo is the number on the bottom of it's the ammo on your body. The ammo on your body. It's the divisor. If reserve ammo is greater than or equal to max clip size, so you have more bullets on your body than can go in the gun, set the reserve ammo. I have it this way right now. This way works too. I subtract reserve ammo from clips. I take the full clip size out of the reserve ammo, and then I add the bullets that I had back onto the reserve ammo. So I subtract all of it, and then I add back what I didn't need to subtract. That was in lieu of the way where I subtract current ammo from max clip size. So max clip size minus current ammo minus reserve ammo back into reserve ammo. So it would be, if I had 20 bullets, it would be 31 as a max clip size, for example, in an assault rifle. Minus 20 is 11. The full amount, say I had 100 bullets, 100 minus 11 would be 89. And that would now be reserve ammo. If I don't have more or equal the number of bullets on my body that can fully go into a clip, that can, fully use the capacity of a magazine, a bullet magazine. Are all of the bullets, this is current weapon, this is current ammo plus reserve ammo. Here's reserve ammo. This is for current ammo and reserve ammo for all of my bullets. So if I don't have more bullets in my body or equal to the number of bullets in my body that can fill a bullet magazine, are all of my bullets greater than max clip size? So the bullets that are already in the magazine and the bullets in my body, when I reload, when I have less than the full amount of bullets in the magazine. If it's true that all of the bullets combined are more than can go in the gun, then set current ammo to the max clip size. That means I can max out the clip. And the reserve ammo is all of the bullets taken away from the max clip size. So if I had 32 bullets, so this is if they're not, so if I had 30 bullets, if all of my bullets were 32 and the max clip size was 31, it'd be 31 minus 32. The absolute value would be positive 1. That goes into reserve ammo. because I had 32 bullets and 31 went in the clip. One goes into reserve ammo. Current ammo is max clip size. If all of my bullets are not greater than the max clip size, so I can't even load a full clip, then take current ammo and reserve ammo and set that into current ammo. That's all my bullets, put them into the gun, and I have no bullets on the side. 0 reserve ammo. That's how we do that. If we go to the ammo widget, I went to panel. I got a canvas panel, as you can see here. I got a horizontal box. I dragged it over the entire screen. I anchored it to the bottom right. I got a vertical box. I put text in that vertical box. I put a horizontal box because these are 3 text boxes layered horizontally. I set these numbers as the default, but then I bound the numbers. If you don't set them by default, it'll say enter text here or something, and you won't get a good visualization of what this will look like. This horizontal box contains all 3 of these. If I click 0, which is where current ammo will go, I go to content and text, I can create a binding. I can create binding. My binding is called get text. So press create binding. I'll show you what I did to create a binding and get text. I got my player character because I use the cast to player character and get player character pure function to get a reference object variable as the player character. That I use to get current weapon reference and the current ammo out of the current weapon reference, because we know that whatever's the current weapon reference is what's in our hand that we want to shoot. Get text 0 is my reserve ammo bind, so that I can have different amounts of bullets in each gun. So I get the player character reference, I get current weapon reference, the object reference for that. I get the reserve ammo. I can plug it directly into return value and it will auto generate this text integer. If I go to my HUD, I can right click in the content browser. I have a HUD folder now. You can right click, create new folder, call it HUD. Right click inside the HUD folder, go to blueprint class. You can type HUD. Here's a HUD. Select that, name yours. I named mine player HUD. When I named my player HUD, I went to the game mode. That's in our game mode folder. Game mode. Where it says HUD class, you can set your player HUD. In our player HUD, we can do things that affect our visor and that pop up on our screen, sort of. Like crosshairs, too. We'll get a crosshair. Here's event begin play, cast the player character. If the player character is valid, you want to create widget, type create widget. Give player controller, that's the owning player. The class is the ammo widget you created, that's my ammo widget. And then I add the viewport and I connect the target. If we test this, I have 0 bullets because I never set my bullets to be filled until I shoot. One thing I did that I can show you as well, when I shoot as the player, I do once, I check if current weapon reference has more than 0 bullets by getting the current ammo, checking it. If it's true, subtract current ammo by 1, set it back into current ammo, continue with fire weapon. If it's false, I don't have any bullets in the gun, I go to reload, I wait 0.2 seconds, and I reset the do 1 so I can commit the next action. So if I don't have bullets, I reload using an add custom event that I splice into the input action event so that I can call when I want. So if we test now, I need to shoot once so that it auto reloads. And it reloads, I had 32 bullets and now I have 31 current ammo and 1 in reserve. I shoot 1, I can reload. It says 31. If I shoot again, can I reload? No, I cannot. I have no bullets. If I switch weapons, I can shoot. I want to test this pistol again. I'm not recommending the pistol all the way. That's not good. So if I have, let's see what the condition is. If max ammo is not able to cover, if reserve ammo is not greater than or equal max clip size, and all the bullets together are greater. Let me see. Here, let's set this like this. This has to go like this. This needs to go ammo reserve, current ammo. Let's try it now. There we go. Okay. So that's a reload function. So just to recap at the end, this 1, 2, 3, third branch where we check if all of our bullets are greater than the max clip size. If that's true, I want to set reserve ammo first because current ammo affects what reserve ammo sets as. So if I set it for the last cycle before reloading and getting new bullets in my reserve ammo, that's bad because I want reserve ammo first. That's the least relevant to the game, and then current ammo last because that's a descendant of how much bullets I have total on my body. So if you think about it sort of in a dimensional way, then it makes sense you'd have to do reserve ammo first, just without checking too many more things. Yeah, you do need that because it sets current ammo, and then reserve ammo comes from max clip size, current ammo, max clips, and reserve ammo. It comes from all of them. So if you set current ammo first, you can't ever get the right value for reserve ammo after it's set. So, okay, thanks a lot. So next time I'm gonna get back to what I was saying we were gonna do, and we gotta finish up getting the character to die from the enemy AI's attacks. Thanks a lot.